You had the choice between your hard-earned money going to the taxman or going to a cause that is dear to your heart. Which would you prefer? I'm going to share with you a couple of tips around charitable donations of how they can be used to optimize your tax and make a difference in the lives of the people that matter to you. So let's get stuck into it. So for many people, they realize that there are certain charitable donations that are tax deductible. And assuming that it is a registered charitable organization and you have a receipt for that contribution, you have the ability to claim a full tax deduction on it. But what we've got to realize is that for the vast majority of charitable organizations, in some cases, 70 to 80% of your donation is going to the administration of that particular foundation. Now, what if you could find a cause and a place where your donations go directly to the source and you can claim a full tax deduction on that activity? There is a service that's referred to as B1G1 or buy one, give one. And it is used by business owners around the world that allow them to link activities that happen in their business to charitable donations that happen around the world. You can choose the charitable donations, whether it's feeding kids in the Philippines, whether it's providing education and support to indigenous communities, whether it's rescuing animals. There's thousands of vetted sources and causes that you can choose and you can use in your business. Now, how does this actually work? You set up an account with B1G1 and you set up a membership, and that membership which you pay covers all of the administration expenses of the organization. And what that then means is that every single other donation that you make goes directly to the source. Now, what makes this really interesting is that you have the ability to link a certain donation to a certain activity. So, for example, you can say for every person that signs up to your newsletter or every client that signs on, you will feed X number of children in the Philippines, or whatever the cause may be. And the great thing about this is that this allows you to give an amount which is fully tax deductible, but also get the ability to understand the tangible outcome created as a result of that donation, which is pretty cool, right? Now, the great thing about this is that because your donations are fully tax deductible, this reduces your assessable income, meaning that you will reduce your tax in the process. Using strategic donations not only makes you feel good and can turn you into being a social enterprise, an organization that is for profit, but has a social view in order to impact the world in a particular way, but then also quantify that and share that with your clients, with your team, which can also make you feel really good in the process. So this is just one of the 40 financial strategies that we cover in our financial performance scorecard. And the scary thing is that for most business owners, their average score is only 18 out of 40. If you're interested in finding out more about how you're tracking towards financial freedom and how you can leverage these 40 strategies to get there faster, then click the link below or jump in my bio and fill in the scorecard. You get a customized report and it'll tell you how well you're tracking towards financial freedom.